Welcome to my channel CodeLogic. Today we are going to see about the strings and its important built-in function. Actually, there are variety of built-in functions available in Python for the strings, so which is very much difficult for the beginners to learn all of it. So I am going to see only the important built-in function which is very much easier for the beginners to learn it. Now I open my Jupyter notebook. Let's see how to combine two or more strings with the help of concatenate operator. Let me give an example. String 1 equal to my name is Richard. String 2 equal to and I love to code. So I need to combine two strings with the help of plus operator. Let me do that. String 1 plus string 2 will get my name is Richard and I love to code. Note here that plus operator is used to combine two strings without adding any spaces. So in the string itself we have to add spaces. So now we run the code. String 1. So I get now added spaces. So my name is Richard and I love to code. Let me add another string. String 3 equal to I love to code in Python. So I am going to add three strings together. String 1 plus string 2 plus string 3. We get like this. Here the no space is added. So let me say another thing. We can print three strings so that the spaces will be added automatically. See, the space is added here. So print is a function which helps to print the output in the screen with adding spaces in between the strings. Print string 1 comma string 2 will get same. So plus operator is used to combine two or more strings and print operations used to print the output in the screen. Now we'll see how to duplicate string with asterisk operator. Asterisk operator in string is used to duplicate the strings. So let me give an example. Name equal to hello. So it is one string. Now I am going to duplicate this string. Name star 4. Name star and how many times we want to duplicate an element. So if I run this code, I will get hello, 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 hello 4 times. So let me give another example. Name 2. Hello, I am Tommy. This is one example. And I am adding spaces here because this operator also doesn't add spaces in the string. So now I am going to duplicate this 2-3 times. So we'll get hello I am Tommy. Like that for 3 times we'll get. So this is about the duplicate operator, that is asterisk operator. Now let's see all the important built-in functions in string. So let's first see the length function. The length function is used to get the total length of the string including the white spaces. So let me give an example. N1 equal to Tommy. And if I want to find the length, I have to use the length function. Len of N1. So this is a string syntax. where we have to give len, and inside the parenthesis we have to give the string name which we want to find the length. So the length is 5. So n2 equal to Amazon. I want to find the length now. So len of n2 will get 6. I am going to give another example. The sky is beautiful. Len of n3 will get 20, which includes the white spaces also. So this len function is common for list, strings and sets, tuple, etc. This is a common function which is applicable to all the data type. So let's see another built-in function, split function. The split function is used to split the strings into a list of strings with the separator. You see this by giving example. N4 equal to Raju hates ice cream. This is an example I am giving. So I am going to apply the split function to the string to split this into a sequence of strings. Let me show. N4 dot split, and this is a syntax, and we have to, inside the parenthesis we have to specify the character which we want to separate the strings into a list of strings. I am going to give a white space so that I will get this list of strings as Raju hates ice cream. So let me run this. So see here, we get as output Raju hates ice cream into a separate strings. Let me give another example. We can include comma now. Comma. So I am going to separate with the help of comma. So it remove all the commas. Wait. Now we'll see this. So we'll get as Raju hates ice cream into, by removing the comma we'll get at this. So it removes the comma and produces only the strings which is in this sequence of strings. Let me give another example. N5 equal to the sky is beautiful. So I am going to I am going to remove white spaces and so N5 dot split, I am going to give is as the separator. Now I will get the sky beautiful. With that, is this separated these two strings. So that's all about the split function. Let's now see about the join function, which is opposite to the split function. The join function helps to join the list of strings into a whole string. Let me give another example. But we have to give in the form of list, set, string, etc. So I am going to give in the form of list. Raju hates ice cream. So this is an example I am giving. So let's join this into a whole string with the help of join operator, join function. So this is the syntax, carefully observe this. We have to give a character with which we have to join all the strings. I am going to give only white space to join all the strings. Dot join the function we are using. Which function we have to join? List. With which list we have to join? List the variable I am giving here inside the join function, so that it helps to join all this. See, Raju hates ice cream. The list is joined into a whole string. We'll get that output. So this is about the join function. Let me give another example for join function. This one equal to Richard food. This is an example I am giving. And I am adding comma here. So let us run this. So I am going to use comma as an operator, or we'll add this to join this whole string dot list1. So it helps to join with the help of hyphen character. Sorry, I didn't use this. So I'm putting list one. So we'll get as Richard loves food. Now let's see about the strip function. Strip function is used to remove a set of character from left end as well as the right end of a string. So let me give an example. St equal to loony is loony. I'm going to leave some white spaces before and after. Okay. So I'm going to use the strip function now to remove the white spaces. Strip. So it's a function, just as I said now, inside the parenthesis you have to give what character you have to remove from the string at the right end as well as the left end. So I'm going to remove the white spaces. So the white spaces are removed and the whole string is present now. So let me put some L here. Now I'm going to remove L from the both sides. St dot strip the character L I'm going to remove from the both sides. Sorry, I didn't run this function at the first place. See, L is removed at the both sides. So strip function is to cut the letters at the both sides. We will see some more built-in function. Let me take an example. Life is beautiful. So the first function we will see now is capitalize function, na dot capitalize, which help to capitalize only the first letter and all other letters will be at lowercase. See, the next function we will see is upper, where we will convert all the letters in the string to uppercase. The next function we are seeing here is lower, that is opposite to the uppercase function, which help to convert all the case to the lowercase. Now we'll see the title function, which help to see where the first letter in each string is at capital letter. So these are the function. You see, we see some more function regarding to count and finding. Let me take an example. Ax equal to. So nature is an important and integral part of mankind. It's one of the greatest blessings for human life. So this is the example I am taking. So we will see some more function. Ax.find function is used to find a string it will return the offset of that is index of the string. So there in two places there is there. So it will show the find function will show the at first occurrence where the word is present. It will show the index of the word. And ex.orphan function will help to show the last occurrence of that word in a string. At 56th place, here is one is string. Now see count function which help to count the word occurrence in a particular string. So 2 times is there, here and here. So that's all about the Python built-in function. I have posted the hands-on that I did now in the GitHub repository. The link is in the description. If you have any doubt, kindly see that and do ask your doubt in comment section. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like my video, share it with your friends, click on the bell icon for further more update, and finally don't forget to subscribe my channel.